Good morning, everyone. We are Team Qubit from Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad, and we have made a project on digitized queue management system. Our project falls under the Web 2 category as we have created a website to solve this issue. You must be thinking what the issue is. It's just a queue, everyone stands in the queue. But we want to change it. We do not want anyone to stand in a queue. When standing in a queue, people are often seen in a state of frustration, anger, and even stress because people have a lot of things to do in their daily life, but they still have to stand in the queues for certain things, which makes them fed up and they feel irritated. But we can't blame them because when we stand in a queue, the conditions are usually like this. In a research, it was found that an average human being spends about 6 months of their life standing in queues. Now, you must be wondering what solution do we propose? Well, our solution is very simple and very helpful to each and everyone out there because it does not require any extra steps than what we actually are used to doing while standing in a queue. Let's jump to the website. Let's just log in into the website and then see what happens. We are logging into the website as a customer. When a customer enters the website, they see this view. This view shows all the nearby stores. Nearby stores means all the stores that are listed on our website and are in the locality of the customer. Like when the customer wants to enter any store, he would be able to see the stores which are nearby him and which he can join. Not all the stores. Like if the customer wants to join this downtown store, he can see that currently the waiting time would be around 4 minutes because there are already 3 customers in the store, and there are 3 counters, so 3 customers and 3 counters, all the counters are filled, so the customer would have to wait for this much time. When I try to enter the store, I click on join queue. As soon as the queue is joined, I can see in the queue is joined that I have joined the downtown and I have been allotted counter number 2. Now there are two ways to leave the queue. Either when our work is done, we can leave the queue ourselves by clicking on the leave queue. Secondly, the counter owner can remove the customer by clicking on the leave queue from their own side, the store side. Let's log on to the store that we just tried to enter, that's downtown. When I log in into the website as a store, I see the details of the store, downtown, number of counters, and all different stuff. Now, when I want to view the queue, I can see that how many customers are available at which counters. As we added ourselves, we were shown counter number 2. We can see currently counter number 2 has 2 customers. Now, from here, the counter owner can remove one customer. As soon as the customer is removed, we can also see it from the side of the owner that the customer is removed. Now we see that the customers are one in each counter. Now when we get to the side of the user, we can see that he has been removed from the queue. We see we have been removed from the queue, and now downtown has 3 counters and 3 customers. Now we can also see that the waiting time and billing time is set to be 3.5 minutes because as a customer leaves, the waiting time and average time is set automatically according to the algorithm. When we are using the ML model, we can see the various predictions that are being made. We can see that how our sales would increase and how our number of customers present would increase over the year and also over the week. This is very useful for the store owners as they have a track of amount of number of people that can join the store at a particular time, or that they may join the store depending on the trends that are being followed from the last few days. As you can see, we have used machine learning in our project. So let's see how the machine learning is applied in the solution. Well, the machine learning is applied in such a way that it takes care of the 5 following things. Our machine learning model takes input of these following things. It takes input of the current queue time, it takes the previous customer time, the previous year and previous festive trends, and takes counter wise waiting time, and also takes the day wise trends. When all these things are combined, we can get a very accurate result from the ARIMA model that we have used for training the machine learning program. So these were the features of a website. But now let's talk how our website makes things easier. It makes things easier because it does not require people to stand in the queue physically. They can just stand virtually. We create a virtual queue for each and every store there. But entering in the virtual queue would be very easy, as everyone is very comfortable with using Google Pay and Paytm and all those stuff. So when a customer enters, he just have to scan a QR code, and when the QR code is scanned, they can enter the queue by just a press of a button. So that makes it very easy for the customer as well as for the store, because the store do not have to give away any tokens for each and every customer. They just have to put a QR code on in their store. This system of queue is convenient for the store owner as well as for the customer, because no one have to do any extra work, and they can just enjoy being very free with anything they want to do without having any cluster of queue in their mind. Well, this was all about Qubit. Now these are our future aspects and future programs for this project. This was Team Friday signing off. Thank you.